Hi, students. Thank you for joining Cerebral Knowledge Foundation. Today we will be doing mathematics. Before we begin class, just a reminder to subscribe, like, comment, and click the notification icon. Let's begin class. Today we'll talk about sets. What is a set? Let's start. A set is a collection of objects that are similar and belong together. A set contains members or elements. A set is named using capital letters. Do you know of different types of set? Let's take a look at types of set, and we will focus on 8 types: empty set, finite set, infinite set, equal sets, equivalent set, universal set, subset, and disjoint set. Let's begin with empty or null set. Is a set with no members or elements. This is represented by the symbols curly brackets or null sign. For example, the set of triangles with 4 sides will be a non set or empty set because, as you know, triangles have 3 sides. Let's move on to finite set. Is a set with elements that can be counted and is also known as countable sets. For example, set A equal vowels. The members of set A are vowels. Vowels can be counted. Set A member will be A, E, I, O, U. Let's move on to infinite set. Also known as uncountable set, all the members of the set cannot be counted. A set with no last element. For example, set Q equal multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on, so forth. So it is continuous. Let's move on to equal sets. Sets with the same number of elements and all equal elements. We use the symbol equal or not equal. The order of the listing is not important. Let's look at 2 examples. Set C equal 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set D equal 8, 4, 10, 2, 6. As you can see, set C equal set D or C equal D. All right, so set C is equal to set D. Let's take a look at another example. Set A equal 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, while set B equal 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So set A is not equal to set B, as you can see. Let's look at equivalent sets. Equivalent sets have different elements but have the same number of elements. All right, let's take a look at the example below. Set A equal burger, banana, soda, while set B equal circle, triangle, and square. So set A and B is equivalent, hence we can identify the difference between equivalent and equal set. So equal sets have the same elements while equivalent sets have the same number of elements. Let's move on to universal set. Universal set, a set that includes all elements included in itself. It is often shown using the symbol U or E. Let's take a look at this example. So the universal set equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, while set P equal 3, 4, 5, set Q equal 1 and 5. Notice the universal set includes all the elements while set P is 3, 4, and 5 and set Q is 1 and 5. As you take a closer look as well, 5 is intersection of both sets. So 5 is the intersection of set P and Q. Let's move on to subset. A subset is a smaller set of elements from a larger set. A set S is a subset of set T if all elements of S are also elements of T. So any set is a subset of itself. And we have the symbols to represent. At the top, we have the symbol that represent is a subset of, and at the bottom is a symbol is not a subset of. Hope you have a better understanding of these different types of sets. Let's move on to disjoint set. Sets that do not have any common elements. This example is an indication of a disjoint set. So set P is equal to 1, 2, 3, and set Q is equal to A, B, C. As you can see, there are no elements in common because elements of P are numbers while the elements of Q are letters. Let's look at Venn diagrams. This diagram is used to highlight relationships between two or more sets. Do you know of different relationships between two or more sets? I will show you a few examples. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, this set represents set A and set B, and this shows A union B. So union represent objects that belong to set A or set B. Let's take a look at another relationship. This relationship indicates set A intersect set B. Intersection objects that belong to set A and set B. So as you can see in the middle of the diagram, you see the shaded region showing the intersection between set A and set B. Let's take a look at another set. Set A. So the shaded region indicates the elements of set A. So that is set A. Let's look at set B. So the shaded region represent the set B, with all the elements of set B is represented by the shaded region. Let's look at another relationship. So this relationship indicates that B is a subset of A. Another relationship is complement of B. So the shaded region indicates the complement of B. And as you can see at the top, this indicates B complement. The complement of B, the set of elements not in B, right? Let's look at complement of A. Let's take a look at complement of A. So as you see by the shaded region, that is the complement of A. The complement of A, the set of elements not in A. And at the top, you see the symbol that represents A complement. Hope you have a better understanding of sets. What is a set? The different types of set, and you'll be able to easily identify different relationships in set. Thank you for watching. Remember, join us next time for another topic, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment and click on the notification icon. See you soon.